Hi all, so this is one of the um, vegetables that I'm growing, and that is carrot and onion. So I am a beginner gardener of fruits and vegetables, and this is my very first time growing my own vegetables. So as you can see, on the right hand side is carrots, and on the left hand side is onion. So as you can see, it is just the carrot which is growing at the moment. The onion is not yet growing. So I will keep you updated on how this goes for now, but I'm very excited to even just see the seedling, because as I said, this is my first time planting my own and growing my own food. And it's a very small scale. I hope that soon I will get a raised flower bed to be able to plant more vegetables and fruits as I learn more about gardening. But if you're a beginner gardener like me, I do recommend you to start on a small scale and to understand the process. So as you can see here, I just put some soil. It's a particular soil that I bought, so let me show you which one I actually use. This is the soil that I use, but it's actually compost for growing most types of plant seeds and cuttings. And I know that compost from my studying, you can actually make it yourself as well, from banana peels and waste and soil, and I hope to hopefully learn more about that as I learn. And the seeds that I brought are from B&Q, and this is the carrot seeds. There are quite a few in there, and then I also brought some onion seeds as well. Now the plants, or should I say the vegetables that I've decided to grow, the expected time frame for it growing was actually, for the carrot to see the seedings, it was actually 14 days. And I started planting these carrots and onions on the 1st of August, and I actually started seeing the seedlings last week. So it came a bit early. I think on the 11th day the carrots seedlings started to appear. So just know that when they do put the time frames for the seedlings appearing, that is actually an estimation to some extent, because mine grew a little bit earlier than that. And then these are the onions as well. So they're both roughly meant to grow at roughly around the same time. So for the onion, it was actually meant to be 14 to 21 days, and then for the carrot, it was actually meant to be 14 to 21 days as well. So both, they're meant to grow at the same time frame. But as you can see from my pot, which I'm going to show you right now, so as you can see from my pot right now, is actually only the carrot which is actually showing its seedlings much more than the onion. The onion is only one seedling that has grown so far, which is right here. So I will keep you updated on how my carrots and how my onions grow. And because I am a beginner should I say a beginner gardener, or food gardener, if you do have any advice or knowledge or tips for me, please feel free to share it in the comment section below. But I am learning, and I hope to share all of my learnings with you here on the Newbie Food Gardener YouTube channel. So kindly do subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't yet, as I embark on this very interesting, enjoyable journey in which I can't wait to really grow my own food. Alright, so see you in the next video.